Hi, friends. Here we go again. One thing I want to show you again is some great advantages of the One Funnel Away Challenge platform. And let me move my face out the way. Close this. Open this. And let's see if I can. All right, let's see if we can log in. Just save this to my dashboard. That would be helpful. My computer is so slow right now. Ugh, like why? All right, log in. Already a member? And let's go to the account. I'm just looking at my notes here. Make sure I cover everything. All right. Well, let it just, again, it's my computer. Oh, what's that? That's enough. Okay, so I wanted to go over with you the affiliate bootcamp and the brick and mortar. So let's start with the brick and mortar summit. Let's see. I want you to see um, what it consists of. How important it is to your business if you're not an online business. It is important for you to click on a brick and mortar and go through those lessons. What is this? One second, please. Hope this works because I'm typing so many buttons. Let's try it again. Okay. I don't know what my password would be. Let's see. I don't want to spend a lot of time on this, so if it don't work, I can figure it out tomorrow. All right. Let's see what my password is for affiliate bootcamp. Oh, I may have to create an account. I don't feel like doing that because I've never logged in before. was using the wrong email address. So if you have an online business, or if you're an affiliate marketer, I want to show you the affiliate bootcamp. I think it would be more beneficial to show the other one. But I'm just going to give you a glimpse. But they have an ebook. You can email yourself. These are all videos. And look, they're really short. And you get all this great information on how to take your affiliate marketing business to the next level. All you have to do, oh, this one is long, it's an hour long. All you have to do is watch them, take notes, and then apply it. Let's see. The brick and mortar. Give me 1 second. Let me see if I can create an account. Okay. It's spinning. Let's close some of these windows. Let's see. This works. Thank you for your patience. Oh, we're in. Okay. Let's see if it has a. So let's see. This is the same. It's videos. And I don't have a brick and mortar, but I know that this will be pretty interesting. I like Jennifer. Let's see if this is the Jennifer that I know. That's a different Jennifer. Let's see if it's another Jennifer. Oh, your morning routine is essential. I like that. Who is Anissa? Building a warm audience on Facebook ads. For Facebook ads, start running funnels and email nurture sequences. Building buzz and nurturing leads. We focus on running additional traffic to our campaign. Wow, that's a really good video. Oh my, I think I'm going to watch that. Phase 1, week 1 through 6, reboot funnel. Ooh, these guys are doing it. Who is Chad? Oh, that's the Chad. That's the guy. Krista. Day 2, build your brand. Set your branding guidelines. Pick your specific niche. Who is David Frey? Oh, so these are really, it's like TED Talks. But you, at the end, make money. So you want to really utilize the information in the One Funnel Away Challenge because it is access to you. And these are extra .com secrets. These are extra bonuses that Ooh, look at this. This is a book that Russell has, but he's giving it to you in a one funnel away challenge if you think for additional fee. Traffic secret recording. Oh, I'm definitely watching that tomorrow. So I wanted to show you session 1. Live event, replay traffic secrets. What? Is it turning or is it not available yet? What's going on? Ooh, it's popping up. This will be good. So yeah, I'm just going to watch that tomorrow. That will be my day. And yeah, catch up day. Download Andrew's plan. Ooh. How to get 100 new clients in 100 days by creating a new opportunity. Oh, that's good. So yeah, I wanted to circle back to the One Funnel Away challenge and make sure that you are utilizing all of this information to be successful. Traffic secrets, affiliate bootcamp. What is funnel audibles? And to make sure that you're winning. Oh, these are books. Oh, it's a presentation too. Okay. Okay. All right. So yeah, that was it. Traffic secrets was an additional charge and it's awesome. Make sure you sacrifice and purchase the traffic secrets, which will be offered to you once you make your account with the One Funnel Away Challenge. Yeah. I really like Traffic Secrets. I didn't finish it, so it's just so much with ClickFunnels. I don't think in one lifetime you can actually explore and touch on everything with ClickFunnels. It's so much information. It's just a very well thought out and expansive platform. Look at this. This is just the Traffic Secrets. Copywriting. Oh my God, marketing discovery. This is so much I need to get into. International opportunities. Yes. Google SEO. I just learned about that yesterday. So yes, so here are some traffic secret lessons that you really want to purchase. It's additional charge, I believe. When you sign up for the One Funnel Away Challenge, you will see a pop-up for traffic secrets for additional charge. If you can sacrifice and pay for the traffic secrets, which is an additional charge, you will not be unsatisfied at all. All right, so I just want to circle back to the One Funnel Away Challenge. Make sure that you're taking advantage of all the goodies that's in it. The Platinum Access, I think that's an extra charge, but expert secrets. Who wouldn't want to know the expert secrets? So make sure that you are really thoroughly thinking it through when it comes to the Funnel Away Challenge, because if you're able to stretch a couple of dollars more, you will be extremely satisfied in your return. I thank you again, and please remember, if you like this content, to like the video, make a comment, share the video with people, and subscribe to my channel. Have a great night.